Welcome again to my crypto channel. In this video, I will talk about elephant.money. It's a return on investment Dapp or smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract has two tokens. The first token is the elephant token and the second token is a stable coin called the trunk token. You can buy both tokens, but they have a different utility. Let's talk about the elephant token first. Elephant token was originally minted 1 year ago and the developer, Bank Teller, launched the project with 1 quadrillion total elephant.money tokens. 1 quadrillion is equal to 1,000 trillion or a 1 followed by 15 zeros, and no additional elephant tokens will ever be minted. 49% of all the elephant tokens were sent to the elephant graveyard. 1% was used for funding the project and marketing. 25% of the initial tokens were set aside for contract-owned locked liquidity. And the last 25% went to investors in an initial liquidity drive event. While there is a high supply of elephant tokens, 79% of the supply is currently either protocol-owned or locked in the protocol. This is good news because it protects the token from being manipulated by whales who sell all their tokens at once, draining the contract. Let's have a look at the chart. As you can see, elephant token has been on a parabolic move. The token went up 800% since January, but yesterday, the price dropped hard. However, this was not a classic rug pull where the developers dumped all their tokens. This dip was the result of people taking profit, and also because of an outside hack. Here's what happened. Elephant token holders in the official Elephant Telegram group received a private message from some stupid scammer who copied the elephant.money logo. The scammer promised to do an airdrop to everyone with elephant tokens in their wallet. People who thought the announcement was real clicked the link and landed on a malicious website where they had to connect their Metamask wallet, and then it happened. The scammer got access to the holders' wallets, stole their elephant tokens and sold the tokens right away, causing a huge drop. I also got the private message, but I deleted it right away. There is no free airdrop for elephant.money, and I never respond to messages from people who I don't know. If you are in the official Telegram group, then you should have known this. You can join the official Telegram channel by clicking their link on the Elephant website. I also talked about the hack in my own Telegram group. If you want to find out about the latest news, or hear about the best dApps, please take a minute to join my Telegram. I will drop the link below. Now that the worst dip is over, the price has already started to increase. This is a good time to buy some more elephant. However, let it be a lesson. Never click on any links in direct messages or emails that you get from strangers on Telegram or Twitter, and never connect your wallet to a website that you don't know. If you give away your secret keys or your seed phrase online to someone you don't know, then you shouldn't be in crypto. It's your responsibility to protect your assets, and if you get an offer that sounds too good to be true, it mostly is. Don't trust anyone. Elephant.money is a reflection token. This means that every time a transaction is done with elephant.money there is a 10% tax. Half of this tax, 5%, is redistributed to all elephant token holders. This does not require staking or any actions on the holder's part aside from holding the elephant in their wallet. In other words, if you hold elephant tokens in your wallet, you will get more tokens automatically. The remaining 5% goes toward locked liquidity. This means that the more transactions happen with elephant, the more holders are rewarded with more tokens and the stronger the token becomes as the liquidity increases. The other built-in benefit of a reflection token is that it discourages flipping of the coins. As an elephant.money investor, you pay 10% tax to sell and then another 10% tax to buy back in. This provides more consistency to the price while discouraging manipulation. You can buy elephant tokens with BNB only. Connect your Metamask wallet to the smart contract first, and enter the amount of BNB you wish to use. Confirm the transaction, and the elephant will be sent to your wallet. That's all. As long as you keep the elephant in your wallet, you will receive new elephant tokens when someone buys or sells elephant on the platform. There's no need to do anything. You can sell the token anytime you want. It's not like Drip, where you cannot take out your initial deposit. If you wish to sell the tokens, just enter the amount here, enable the token in Metamask, and hit the sell button. Your elephant will be swapped for BNB, and the BNB goes straight to your wallet. Now, let's talk about the other token. As I already mentioned before, the trunk token is a stable coin, backed by the US dollar. It's like BUSD on Binance, or the USDC token on Coinbase. You can buy or mint trunk with BUSD right here. Enable the token first in Metamask, and enter the amount of BUSD that you want to swap in this form. Once you have bought some trunk, you can stake it here to earn a 71% APR. This is an unlocked staking pool, so the tokens can be taken out anytime you want. Enable the staking first. Deposit the trunk that you want to stake in the reserve, and it will show here. I currently have 99 trunk in my balance. You can now compound or roll trunk to get more interest, or claim your tokens. It's similar to Drip, with the only difference that you can take out your trunk tokens anytime you wish. I will compound my interest every day, until I earned enough trunk to claim back my initial investment. Use the withdraw button on the right to claim your trunk. You can also send trunk tokens to another address or do an airdrop if you are a member of a team. If you want to get airdrops from me, feel free to use my wallet address. Go to the Herd Partner Network, click the Partner button, enter my address in this form and hit the Update button to become a member of my team. I will drop my address in the description below, along with step-by-step instructions. This unlocked staking method is one of the most safe ways to make money with your stable coins, in this case trunk token. But there's an even better way to earn from your trunk. If you put your trunk in the Stampede and bond it, you can earn a 205% APR. That's around 0.5% daily. This is a fixed payout rate that doesn't change, just like the faucet in Drip network. So because trunk is a stable coin, this is a very low risk way to earn money. You can bond your trunk by using this button. Enable the Stampede first, and put in the amount of trunk here. Remember that all the trunk tokens you deposit or bond can never be taken out. You only get out the daily interest. I have 1,000 bonds in the pool, and here are the rewards I am earning. My personal strategy is to compound for 6 days in a row and claim on day 7. If I keep doing this for a year, I will make the most out of the ecosystem. Okay, that's about it. You can read more about Elephant Money by clicking the 3 dots at the top of the page, and check out the white paper, or connect with them on their Telegram, Twitter or YouTube socials. There are also some good tutorials here on how to set up your Metamask wallet and connect to the Binance Smart Chain if you are new to all this, so give it a closer look if you want more information. Elephant Money is a digital asset with utility. As an ecosystem grows and more users come aboard, the demand increases and prices can move higher. Elephant token has an enormous utility in being part of the collateral backing the trunk stablecoin. 75% of each trunk minted is backed by BUSD and 25% is backed by collateralized Elephant token. For every trunk being minted, 25% is used to purchase Elephant tokens. Conversely, when one trunk is redeemed, 25% of the funding comes from a sale of Elephant token. As more trunk gets minted, more Elephant is being purchased. If we look at the holders on BSC scan, we see that the largest whale only holds 0.6% of the entire supply. The largest holders are the graveyard, which sells at forecasted times when it reaches 51% of total supply, the treasury, which is backing the price of trunk and cannot dump on the market, and the liquidity pools on PancakeSwap. The biggest whale dump is when the graveyard recalibrates from 51% of total Elephant supply back to 50% of total Elephant supply. The proceeds from the 1% sale go back into Elephant liquidity, strengthening the asset. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. You should never copy what other people are doing, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own research, and don't listen to others. This is crypto, and nothing is guaranteed. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have anything to share. If you got something from my info, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.